Hey people, it's a good day. Okay, let us tackle the agents. Company agents is also a business. A business agent acts as a vital bridge between companies and their target markets, serving as a professional representative authorized to negotiate contracts, manage transactions, and foster strategic partnership on behalf of their clients by leveraging their industry expertise and extensive networks. They streamline the business operations, help organizations expand into new territories, and ensure that deals are executed efficiently and in the best interest of the parties involved. And ultimately, their role is to drive growth, protect interest, and maintain strong relationships, making them indispensable assets in the competitive world of commerce. The world of commerce and industry, at least, don't you know that agents is the backbone of all the companies? That's why you manage the agent carefully.